Hi guys, Becki-licious here. Today we are going to make a very yummy barbecue chicken nachos because I love nachos. So I've got all of my prep work over here, but first we got to get the chicken cooked up. All right, so I have got my chicken thighs all cut up and everything, so we're going to get those thrown in here. And then we are okay. Chicken has been cooking for just about 2 or 3 minutes. It doesn't need to be all the way done because now we're going to add our barbecue sauce, and then it's going to simmer basically the rest of the way. So we're getting this mixed up. Don't forget to like and subscribe and to share with your friends. Click on that link tree to see some other fun stuff, all right? Okay, this chicken is ready to go. The barbecue sauce has been reduced by about half, which is what we were wanting, so we can go ahead and get this turned off. We're just going to bring this right over here because it's time to build. I already have my oven turned on 350 degrees because this is going to go into the oven to kind of finish up. So we're going to open up our chips, which, by the way, best chips. Got to be yellow corn. That's just how I feel. These are the best ones. Faux show. All right, so we are going to do a layer of chips on our cookie sheet. And obviously I'm going to do a pretty healthy portion because, you know, it's dinner time. All right, so we're going to start with that. And then we are going to layer this yummy barbecue chicken all along these chips. You don't want to use everything yet because we're going to do another layer, so gotta make sure you spread out your goods. It's the best way to be. All right, oh, this is going to be so yummy. Okay, we're going to do a layer of cheese on here, and this is just shredded Colby Jack. Obviously, you can do whichever. But for this, I figured Colby Jack would probably be the best, okay? We're gonna dress it up, a little bit of red onion. I love red onion on my barbecue chicken, anything, a barbecue chicken pizza, anything like that. It's so pretty, so yummy. We're gonna add a little tiny bit of tomatoes on this layer, nothing too nuts. And then a little bit of olives for a little bit of color. And then we are going to do another layer of chips. So we're going to get these all spread out. Yum, yum, yum. All right, now we're going to place some more of that yummy barbecue chicken, that yummy barbecue sauce. Now you can go a little bit heavier, obviously, because this is just the last layer we're going to do. So make it however we want it. Boy, doesn't that look yum? Okay. Now we're definitely going to go crazy with the cheese because this is our top layer, and we want this to all get nice and melty in the oven for sure. So we want to try to get every nook and cranny with that cheese. There we go. And then once again, we're going to add some of that pretty purple onion on the top. How gorgeous that is. And then we're going to finish it up with the tomatoes and the olives. Okay. Look at how gorgeous that looks. Doesn't that just look amazing? All right, so this is gonna go in the oven. We're gonna put it in there for probably about 10 or 15 minutes. Obviously, we'll keep an eye on it, but here they go. Let's see how they turn out. I'm excited. The nachos are ready to come out of the oven. And I gotta tell you, they look and smell amazing. Look at that. Isn't that yummy looking? So now we just got to finish it up, and then we're ready to eat. Oh my goodness, look at this. Lucky. Yummy. All right, so we're going to do a dollop sour cream here and there. Just 3 little ones. And then to make it really fancy, because this is barbecue, we're just going to do a drizzle. Little bit on the top. Oh my gosh. Look at how amazing that looks. And it smells so good. I can already tell this is going to be so good. So there we go. I have dinner. So I hope you guys enjoyed this fun adventure. I know I always have a good time, and I can't wait to see you next time. Bye.